So till now we have created two sheets. One is top 30 cities and the other one is per square feet. Now let's go ahead and do the counts. So in this we'll be considering all the cities here. Now if I see here that one RKs are the listing of RKs are very less, and if you talk about BHKs have a very high listing number, so about 29,427 listings of BHK. So this is the third one that we'll try to prepare here. I have created Scratch here just to give you an idea what we'll create. So I'll remove all of this now and we'll create everything from scratch. So first what I'll do is I'll go ahead, I'll take this BHK or RK, put it here, then BHK or RK, put it here, take the counts of it. So I can see there are 29,427 counts of BHKs and about 24 counts of RK. Okay. Now I want to know what is the price per square feet of BHK and then what is the price square of RK. So as I told you earlier, anything that you want the price, so we should put the price in the label section. By this I can see here 8.25 lakhs is the per square feet price uh, for RK and 18.95 is for the BHK. Now we'll go ahead and then we'll try to format it. Then again we come here, custom currency. This is basically in thousands. And then we close it down. Then we go here, we make it bold. That's how it looks. Okay. Now let's expand it a little bit to make it more sensible and reduce the length. Okay. So as I told you that I always try to hide the field column. So now this makes more sense, yeah. And now, but the color doesn't makes a lot of sense. So let's do it this way. First of all, let's bring in the filter for city. Go to use all, click on apply, show filter. I hope by now you guys know what that all of that means. And so we'll select this, we'll bring it here. So this is for all. Now let's see if as I told you, I'm from Dehradun. So let's select Dehradun. So Dehradun, this is the per square feet price. Now let's rename the sheet. Let's rename it to BHK slash RK listing counts versus per square feet price. Let's highlight it, make it 18, convert the color to blue, click on apply, then click on any format, go to background, sheet, background color. Then go to this, go to this, format, make it bold, white. Come here again, format, make it bold. Then do the procedure again. Columns. So what we are supposed to rows, grid lines, none. This makes somewhat sense, but the lines, I like this, so let's keep it this. And then color, I'll go to uh, green. Best would be let's select all of them. But anyway, we are not going to get any colors here. So this makes a lot more sense now. And then, so we have created 3 sheets. So let's rename it to bhk slash rk versus price. Okay, so till now we have created 3 sheets. Now let's move to the 4th sheet. So fourth we have here, we have done the BHK or RK, we have done with the city base, top 30 cities, and then we've done the per square feet price. Now let's move to who posted the property. By that we'll try and understand that if it is what is the average per square feet rates, and what it, if the person who aims at buying the property, does he gets benefited if he buys through a dealer or an owner or a builder. Okay, so this is just a skeleton again, and now let's do the same thing as I did earlier. Let's remove everything out of here. Then we'll go to posted by, put it in the columns, posted by, put it in the row section, go to measure, go to count. So as now we have selected the count. Now in this we'll again select it this way, we'll expand it a little bit. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll go to now we need to know the price, so per square feet price. I'll do the same thing again, put it in the label section, got the price here. Now we want to, now for example we want to change the colors. Now again pick up the posted by, put it in the color section. Now see, there are 3 different names, 3 different colors for the 3 different people out here. Now let's go, if we want to change the color, edit colors. So I'll keep it, it's better to keep it the way it is, just to make it a little brighter. Then let's go to the graded, do the format thing, make it currency custom, put here 1000, and then so this has been achieved. Now let's go to the background, go to sheet, let's fill in the standard what we've been doing till now. Sorry about my bad throat, guys, you guys understand it's a really difficult time, and even I'm struggling with it. But uh, then let's go ahead and uh, click on format, bold, white. Let's do the same thing for this one. Format, bold, white, uh, format. Let's select this one. Format here. Pane. Pane is when it comes edits the internal one. So, and put it as bold. Then let's hide this one. Let's go to the grid lines. Rows. Let's make it less opaque. Okay. Okay. And let's do the same thing. Rename the sheet. So this is sorted by versus uh, per square foot price. Make it bold, make it 18, make it blue. Apply. Doesn't looks that good. Let's make it green. Well, we'll keep it blue for now, and we'll edit it if later if we feel so. So by that, again come here, rename it, posted by versus per square foot. So by now we have created 4 sheets here. Few more to go. I understand you guys might feel that it's going a little slow. It's just that I'm trying to get you an inside depth about it. So please be a little more patient with me.